Have you played LEGO Fortnite, wondering what happens after you upgrade your village level from 9 to 10? Is there a huge fanfare? Or what? Well, we'll find out right after this. Alright, if you notice up on my 9 to 10 screen up there in the top right, you'll notice that I'm starting at 9. So you build this house here, the best one to get there. Now we're going to go into a 200 times speed here and show you the process of me building this. This will get you from 9 to 10 pretty easily. Just build the one thing. It's like XP. You have to have XP in order to upgrade your village level. So here I am building the 4s. And this is at 2 times speed. So that way it's faster for you. Did do some mistakes here and there. Here I am building the first walls. Now second wall and windows and whatnot. This will take some time. You may, if you look when you first place it, you could see if how much wood and that you need. You just go gather all that first and then come back. It's an approximate, so it's not exact. But I would suggest just round off to the nearest 50 or 100 or whatever, and just get what you need above that, because you might want to add some walls and stuff like that afterwards to go around your village. That's what I did. But as I said, this will bring it up to 10. You can see my bar going up there to 10 very slowly. And this guarantees you the fastest way to get from 9 to 10. And then, of course, you do the upgrade afterwards. So we'll be getting to that here in a few. Now, if you notice, I did build it very close to my old village. I later on deleted all that floor and that wall right there that I created before it. That way I can integrate it into the village itself. And I put wall around it right to the very border you see there, the yellow colored wall there. I put a wall around about where that is and fixed it all up and everything afterwards. So there's no problem with it being right up next to your old village. I do that way the little baddies can't come in or whatever. And while I'm building it, can't try to attack everybody inside. Um, and then I just basically recreated the same thing around this house after I upgraded my village, after the video's over. So that's why it's like that. It is in my village. So, let's continue on building the second floor now. I had a mistake here, so I just deleted it very carefully because you don't want to hit the house itself. I believe this is a part of the roof here. Now I'm starting on the third floor. I believe it's third floor or second floor walls. The second floor walls. Do note there is no game audio due to copyright reasons. So that's why there's no audio here from the game itself. It doesn't allow that. So I'm just gonna I have some music here playing in the background for you. So that's why I did that. Here I am building the second floor roof. Checking it out a little bit, make sure everything's there. Back out here. Did get lost a few times throughout this, trying to figure out how to, like right here, I can't get up there. So the best thing to do is just go ahead and build the stairs. Like I did here, Build the stairs right there. A couple steps up so you can see what you're doing. I went a little bit higher than I needed to, that way I can be down on it instead of, you can just jump on there and continue on. Now the roof again, or attic. I believe it's more of an attic than anything else. It does get kind of hard to place these a little bit because you're so high. Go back down. Try to work your way down. This is where it gets really hard trying to line them up. As long as you get your little dot there, little pointer in the blue, it'll build. Now the final roof, final part of the roof. This part was pretty easy. Now the last few pieces, parts, and we are done. Now we head down, get rid of these stairs. Start from the top though, because otherwise you'll have floating stairs that you won't be able to get to. Now let's go around and find out what happens here. I have to go around because my door's in my way, the open door there. Let's go in here. And let's upgrade. See what happens. Nothing. No fanfare. Well, I'll make a fanfare. And keep in mind, I do use different music here because of copyright reasons.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.